These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn by Hilton Hotel in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are older Otis Series 1 elevators. Get to 8. Here you go. So older Otis Series 1 from the 80s or 90s. Here 8. These are actually pretty decent. Here 8. Go back down to the lobby. There are your key switches underneath the panel. You can't really see it. I apologize about that. There's your certificate. Non-ADA phone. Pretty nice hotel elevator. Carpeted floors. Typical Hampton ad on the door. Here back at the lobby. Otis. Case fire about these elevators. I think these may be Elevonic 401s, but I'm not really sure about that. There it goes, and that's it.